Title: How to Force Your Way to $1 Million. Introduction. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most important financial questions. How can you make your way to $1 million? Many people think that achieving such a goal depends on luck, making a single big investment, or that it's just impossible. But the truth is, reaching such a milestone requires hard work, strategy, and smart decisions. If you've ever wondered what it really takes to get to $1 million, this video is for you. Today, we're going to explore the steps and mindset needed to put you on the path to reaching this financial goal. From proper planning, continuous effort, to learning from mistakes, everything will be covered here. Section 1: The truth about reaching $1 million. Before we get into the specifics, let's clarify one important thing. Reaching $1 million doesn't happen overnight. It requires careful planning, sustained effort, and sometimes a bit of luck. The path to financial success isn't usually a straight line. It involves setbacks, failures, and learning from them. Key components of reaching $1 million: hard work and perseverance. There's no shortcut to success. If you want to build significant wealth, you must be prepared to work day in and day out and keep going even when faced with challenges. Strategic planning. Success doesn't just rely on luck. You need a detailed plan that guides you towards your goals. You'll need a roadmap that outlines the necessary steps to take and helps keep you focused on your objective. Continuous improvement and learning. One of the common traits of wealthy individuals is their commitment to continuous learning and personal development. If you want to succeed, you must keep improving yourself, whether through reading, taking courses, or finding a mentor. Section 2: Different ways to make your first million. Now that we've talked about the mindset and preparation, let's look at practical methods that can help you get to your first million. There's no one-size-fits-all approach. Each situation requires a different The stock market is one of the best ways to grow your capital. If you make the right investments and hold on to them for the long term, you can see great returns. Real estate. Another tried and true method of wealth building is real estate. Whether it's flipping houses, renting out property, or investing in commercial real estate, this method has stood the test of time. Cryptocurrency. While the crypto market is volatile, smart investments can yield great results. If you have the right knowledge and make well-informed decisions, you can benefit significantly from this emerging asset class. 2. Starting your own business. Starting a business is one of the best and most challenging ways to reach $1 million. However, it requires creativity, perseverance, and calculated risk-taking. Online businesses. Today, online businesses like e-commerce stores, drop shipping, and selling digital products are some of the most profitable models. With social media and online platforms, you can reach customers from all over the world. Innovative ideas. If you have a unique product or service that solves a specific problem, you may have the opportunity to start a business that can grow exponentially. Success in business is about identifying people's needs and offering solutions they are willing to pay for. 3. Multiple income streams. To reach $1 million, it's often beneficial to have more than one source of income. By diversifying, you reduce the risk of relying on a single revenue stream. Side hustles. Many millionaires started with side hustles before turning them into full-fledged businesses. Whether it's freelancing, consulting, or selling products online, side hustles can quickly grow into substantial income streams. Investing in passive income. Once you have some capital, you can focus on building passive income streams such as dividends, royalties, or rental income, which will continue to generate money without active effort. Leveraging technology and apps. In today's digital age, successful people use technology to optimize their time, resources, and investments. There are apps and tools available that can help manage your finances, track your investments, and stay organized. Financial management apps. Apps like Mint or Personal Capital can help you track your expenses, investments, and even set up a budget that ensures you're on track to achieve your financial goals. Investment tools. There are numerous apps designed specifically for investing, like Robinhood, eTrade, and others, which allow you to trade stocks, crypto, or other assets from the palm of your hand. Section 3. The importance of networking and building relationships. The road to $1 million isn't just about what you know, it's also about who you know. Networking and building strong relationships with other successful individuals can open doors to new opportunities, collaborations, and investments. 1. Surrounding yourself with the right people. The people you surround yourself with can make a huge difference in your journey. By being around successful and motivated individuals, you will learn from their experiences, gain new perspectives, and be inspired to take action. 2. Mentorship. Having a mentor can significantly accelerate your progress. A mentor is someone who has already achieved success and can guide you through the pitfalls and challenges you may face. This guidance can save you time, money, and effort by avoiding mistakes others have made before you. 3. Collaborations and partnerships. Collaborating with others who have complementary skills and resources can help you achieve faster results. Whether it's starting a joint venture or simply learning from others, working with like-minded people is essential to reaching big financial goals. Section 4. The role of discipline and patience. As we've seen so far, getting to $1 million requires hard work, strategic planning, and smart decisions. However, none of this is possible without discipline and patience. 1. Staying focused on your goal. The road to wealth can be long, and there will be moments where you feel like giving up. It's important to stay focused on your goal and not let short-term distractions derail you from your long-term vision. 2. Avoiding impulse decisions. Financial success requires the ability to make informed decisions rather than acting impulsively. Whether you're investing, spending, or even choosing business partners, taking the time to make thoughtful decisions is crucial. Conclusion: your path to $1 million. Reaching $1 million isn't easy, but it's certainly achievable if you take the right steps. By focusing on strategic planning, smart investing, building multiple income streams, and surrounding yourself with the right people, you can set yourself on a path toward financial success. Remember, the key to wealth isn't necessarily working harder, it's working smarter, being patient, and staying disciplined. Take action today, stay focused, and keep pushing forward, and before you know it, you'll be closer than you think to achieving your goal of reaching $1 million.